Azure Smart Doorbell system. It uses Edge to motion detection and upload the video to the Azure, and then you can use a power of Azure for AI or just Azure Cognitive Services to proceed the video. You can extend the project adding the button to call the assistance or simply as a doorbell system. How is it working? There is Raspberry Pi 0 in that case and the camera. You can use any of the camera for this system, also the night camera. Now I just get my camera focus to myself, and using a stream you can see myself. But let's see what happened next. And there is a motion detection event and then uploading it to Azure. And now all the recorded files are in storage account, so you can use power of Azure AI, power of Azure Cognitive Services to analyze the video and create alerts. For example, unknown person has entered to your door or to your office, and so on. So sky is the limit. And for production system you can use this kind of box with this one for camera.